So, leaks around Xiaomi's next flagship lineup are coming in faster than ever. And this time, the spotlight is on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Just a day after details about the Xiaomi 17 Pro's cameras surfaced, its bigger sibling is now at the center of attention with some intriguing upgrades. According to fresh reports, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max will share most of its camera setup with the 17 Pro, but with one notable twist in the telephoto lens. Both devices are expected to sport a 50-megapixel primary camera with a bright f1.6 aperture, accompanied by an ultra-wide shooter with a 17mm focal length. Where the Pro Max sets itself apart is in the telephoto department. While it sticks with the same 5x optical zoom at a 115mm focal length, Xiaomi is giving it a wider f2.6 aperture compared to the Pro's f3.0, which should translate to better low-light performance and sharper results when zoomed in. As with recent Xiaomi flagships, the cameras will once again carry Leica's branding, ensuring fine-tuned color science and premium imaging capabilities. Powering both the Pro and the Pro Max will be Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is all set to go official next week. With this powerhouse under the hood, Xiaomi 17 series is shaping up to be one of the most performance-heavy lineups of the year. But the cameras aren't the only big story here. Xiaomi is introducing something fans haven't seen in years, a secondary rear display. Not only will the Pro Max feature this magic back screen, but the smaller Xiaomi 17 Pro will also sport it. Xiaomi recently dropped a teaser on Weibo showing both devices with their new rear displays cleverly integrated into the camera island. While Xiaomi hasn't revealed exact details like size or resolution, the teaser confirms that the secondary screen won't just be for show. Users can expect customizable watch faces, notification previews, and even a camera viewfinder mode for taking selfies with the rear cameras. With all this coming together, the Xiaomi 17 lineup, which includes the base Xiaomi 17, the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, is expected to make its debut before the end of the month. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Xiaomi 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.